I want to talk about genetics. I'm going to keep it very simple. We're going to do the Punnett Square. I'm going to explain it to you very, very carefully. So let me share. Let's see. Hang on for just a second. I need to pull this up real quick because I don't want to go back to the first slide. There you go. All right. Okay, let me share. Okay, so we're just going to talk about just a simple genetics. The Punnett Square is just a simple little tool that we can use to decide what's dominant and what is recessive and what's the outcome. You're not going to have to do anything complicated, just a simple fill in the squares. When you look at this one, this is the brown eyes and blue eyes. If you have a parent that is brown-eyed and has a recessive blue eyes, and then if you have a parent that has two blue eyes, this is what the chances of you having a blue-eyed or brown-eyed child is. So this is my situation. My mother is brown-eyed, but her father was blue-eyed, and my father is blue-eyed. So when you see a capital letter, that means it's the dominant. That means whatever the capital letter is, it's going to be what's shown in the outcome is going to be. So we have blue eyes, two lowercase b's, but we call this recessive. And we have an uppercase B and lowercase b, we call that. This is dominant, and this is recessive. And we take the B's and drop them down to the squares. So you're going to take the capital B and put it on the top square there, in this square. And then you're going to take the lowercase b, the blue one, and move over here and here. And they're going to drop down the top ones. And here you can see that if you have a brown-eyed parent who has recessive blue eyes and a parent that has blue eyes, you have a 50-50 chance of having a blue-eyed child and a 50% chance of having a brown-eyed child. I know I have 3 sisters. All 4 of us have brown eyes. So it doesn't mean that you're if you have 4 children, you're going to have 2 that have blue eyes and 2 that have brown eyes. My sister has 2 children. One's blue-eyed, one's brown-eyed. Sometimes it works that way, and sometimes you only have the blue eyes. But this is the opportunity for each different pregnancy. So copy that down. And if it helps, go ahead and draw the little eyes. I like this. I actually found this off of clip art. I thought this was pretty cool. You have 2 lowercase b's, uppercase B and a lowercase b. All right, now you're going to be hearing 2 words that sound really scary, like science, but are heterozygous and homozygous. And heterozygous just simply means one of each. Okay, the blue eyes and the brown eyes, or the green and yellow. That means you got a mixed bag. Homozygous is the same, like you. It's going to be all blues or all reds or whatever future you're talking about. You're not going to have any mixture, okay? Heterozygous is either is a capital letter and a lowercase letter, and homozygous is going to be either 2 uppercase or 2 lowercase, depending on whether or not it's recessive or dominant. So look at this here. If we look at beans, if the yellow is dominant and the green is recessive, and if we cross the yellow heterozygous with the green homozygous, okay, so we have the yellow is going to be the capital letter, and the green is going to be the lowercase y. And if we fill it out, this is what we have. We have on the first square, we have capital Y, lowercase y, capital Y, lowercase y. On the bottom square, we have lowercase y, lowercase y, lowercase y. So we have a 50% chance of having green, and a 50% chance of having yellow. Same with the blue eyes and the blue eyes. Okay, and we'll stop there. Let's stop the recording.